Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Eero device to a Frontier router. First, start with your current setup. Locate your Frontier router and unplug its power cable from the wall. Make sure the device is completely powered off before moving to the next step. Next, take your Eero device out of the box and find an Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into one of the ports on the back of your Eero. Then take the other end of that cable and connect it to your Frontier modem. If you are using an ONT, connect it to the WAN port instead. Now, move on to powering your Eero. Plug the power adapter into the Eero device and connect it to a power outlet. Wait for the light on the Eero to turn on. You should see a flashing white or blue light. This means the device is starting up and is ready to be set up. After that, take your phone and open the Eero app. If you do not have it installed, download it from your App Store. Once you open the app, follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through creating your network name and password. It will also confirm when your Eero is successfully connected. Thanks for watching.